Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. How is everyone doing this morning? It is March 30th, currently 6:17 in the morning on the West Coast. Ooh, a little gap just formed on NQ. And makes it 9:18 on the East Coast. Almost time for market open. We got another 12 minutes here and 40 seconds for market open. And we are in a nice tight range. And I was able to place one quick trade on that range and made a quick 40 bucks. So not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's go ahead and look at some news today. Woo! News for the day. Fed Chair Powell is going to come in and speak here. So that's going to be a red folder right there. So that's at 10:30 Eastern. So that's going to be 7:30 on my charts. Got to keep track of that. 7:30. I'm going to have a news event. Go ahead, take a look at NQ here. So we've had this really tight range. It's 5 minute. I took a sell here. Took a sell on this wick up. So we had this nice big wick up. Came back down, broke below. Took a sell. Got into a little bit of the chop. So I got some profits, pulled me out. And then right back into this really tight range. Let's go ahead and mark this thing back out because this thing is just a really, really tight looking range here. So we're going to go bottom side blue. Which actually going to be this bad boy now. Ooh, let's not do that. Bottom side blue to top side purple. I think this purple looks like it's at the top. So that's going to be our new range that we're playing with pre-market. We just had a blue cross up on the 2 minute. We're still contesting this purple. Wick the top of it. Wick the top of it again. So the bull side looks a little bit better to me if we can hold above that 10 level. Really get above, yeah, that 510 level. Get above that 510 and hold on the candle. We might be looking good. Get above that 515. Break that 1 minute purple. Be really solid for a long. But we are hitting that territory of market open. So if stuff's gonna happen, it needs to happen now, or I'm gonna hold off and say I'm not trading this. You know, trying to break those 510s again. See if I can get this a little nicer on that vertical stream for you guys to see my trade entries. I was hoping to start live trading. I did get moved to live on Elite Trader funding. One thing that I found was that the market fees. They pull the market fees from your account. They charge you a ton. They charge you almost $200 for market fees, which is crazy to me because on my live account with NinjaTrader, the market fee is $12 a month. So why is it costing ETF $100 or almost $200 a month when it costs me nobody $12 a month for the same market data? So explain that to me. But regardless, they pull it directly from your account, and they do it at the beginning of each month. So if I were to open an account today, a live account, so I finished everything I need for it, I just have to submit it, and then they'll open up my live account. But if I do it today, I'm going to get charged $200 today, and then I'm going to get charged $200 on April 1st for market data again. So I'll have $400 removed on a $2,000 account for market data. So we're going to wait. All right, here's a push. Here's a push. That buy would have been nice down here. But it would have been contesting this purple. I definitely wouldn't have taken it. We'd be on this move down. We're testing this purple. Yeah, it would be a pull back into range. But this range is actually formed with this blue. So, yeah, I definitely wouldn't have taken it. The range would have been all the way up here. All the way up at, like, these levels. Nice big push. See if we can hold. We hold that 515. See if we get a break and retest on this 515 level. And we'll buy these tops at this range. It's just kind of risky. We're buying some tops, but we can hold this. We got 6 seconds left. And this is going to be our breaking candle. Oh, nope, did not break. So here's now a new breaking candle. Would have been 7 points of risk. 7 points of risk on that. We got to break and hold this. Yeah, right now we're just hitting topside range. Wicking this purple here. We did break that 5-minute purple. That looks pretty good for the bull run too. That it broke and hold that 5-minute purple. This is the first break on the 5-minute level that might be holding. Still 2 minutes left on that candle though. So we might just be getting sucked right back into this range. Yeah, but if this range had not been formed yet, the blue would have been probably this blue over here. So we could actually look at that too. If I would have put it on this blue right here, we would have had a break in, a retest, get on the continuation with the blue candle. That would have been a pretty solid play right there, had I had that range up. But right now we're just hitting that top side. So we probably would have entered in at the very close of this candle with a... This would have been your break. So it would have been 12 points of risk on that trade. Just wicking. I'll get one more minute. And we're going to call it for the pre-market session. Tomorrow we have Jolt's job opening, ISM manufacturing on Wednesday, core retail sales Wednesday, unemployment claims Thursday, non-farm employment change on Friday, and the unemployment rate. So definitely some news every day. So all right, we got a break, hold, retest. Let's go with a buy here. And then we're going to come to the bottom side of this candle. Order submitted. So we got about 5 points of risk on this trade. What's up, Akira? What's going on, brother? It's right at that 5-minute level. Good to see ya. Hope everything's going well. Missed you here on the stream. And boom, popped me right out. There we go. Sorry to hear that, man. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully things are doing better now. There we go. 1L. 1W, 1L. That was a nice purple there, and that's a good break into the range as well. And this is just so much chop. I'm done with this. I'm just gonna wait until the market opens. I mean, we just came down, tapped that level. Good, man, good. So I am I'm getting a new computer set up today. So I just think the performance level on this computer with running 5 screens and everything has just been too much for it. So I've been having a lot more glitching and stuff lately. That's a nice wake up. It's a nice wake up. I'm not taking anything. It's too close to market open. But I think we might long it out of here. I think we might rocket ship right out of here. But yeah, so I get a new computer set up today. So hopefully if you were still interested, we could try this whole thing again later on. But it's totally up to you, man. All right. We're going to sit and wait this out. That was a nice big wick. We're still pushing up. Did form a 1 minute cross down. Almost. And we're forming one on the 2 minute as well, but the 5 minute is still working its way up. So holds that 510 level, maybe it pushes back down. I don't know. I've been on the stream since I got the tap. I got the push live from Elite Trader Funding. So hopefully, yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, there's that pull down. That curl on that 2 minute at the top looked really good. I was thinking, I mean, that does look really good, but big long wick up, fighting some blues. Eesh. Yeah, see, this is scary. But yeah, I'm gonna be trading live with Elite Trader Funding starting probably next week. Starting next week. Big push up. Right off that 1 minute cross. Wow. Yeah, it's my first time. It's my first time getting live on a company, so. I'm not sure how it works with everybody else, but like I was just talking about, they're charging quite a bit for market data fees, which doesn't make me super excited. So I went from having 3 funded accounts with them, about to get a $3,000 payout. Go hit the payout button, and they're like, nah, we're gonna move you to live instead. You get a $2,000 buffer on your live account, and we're gonna take $200 away. Immediately for market data. So I'm waiting for the beginning of the month to open the account so I don't have to pay market data fees twice in a row. So it's almost like I'm starting in drawdown. I'm starting at $200 drawdown on the live account. Really tight trading requirements too. Look at that. There's that open. They only let you trade 5 micros. Up to 5 micros. I would like it to be 6. 6 would be my number. 3 is my standard entry. And then every once in a while, if I feel confident in a trade, I like to double down, you know? And can't do that with 5. I can do that with 6. I could add on 2, but it's just weird for me to add on 2. It's just not as easy as me just hitting the button again. I have to actually change orders and stuff. All right, big gap up on SPX. SPX, a nice big gap up here for the open, and then we'll see if it starts to pull down towards this midline on this gap. SPX or NQ is making another pullback here, but it might just be pulling back to slingshot itself forward. Yeah, looks like it. Good push. So I'm going to delete this range here. We got a different range forming off the open. Big break. I'm not going to mess with it. We're just going to watch. We're just going to watch. All right, up at the 5-minute level. This is the 5-minute level above. Let's see if we get pushed down off of it. Yep. Yep. Big push down off that 5-minute level. Got a breakthrough 540, hold above. Then it's got 556, 564. We don't have any boxes up above for a while. 783 is our next sauce box, all the way up at 700. This is crazy. Down below we have the 23,350. This is that tap on that opening range. So if you were feeling risky, if you were feeling the risk, you could go ahead and take a long here off the break of that purple. 31 points of risk. That 5-minute candle's pretty flat. Yeah, I'm waiting, dude. I mean, look at this thing. I caught one trade in here, tried for a second, lost most of my first trade trying for that second. It's just yuckus. It's just yuckus. Lots of chop. Lots of back and forth right in here. So, I mean, I'll play it if it gives me an entry. If I get a break entry, we're gonna play it. So, I want to see it. I want to see it hold below these 480s, really 475. Hold below 475. I might take a short. The long, I mean, we got to get all the way back up. We got to get all the way back up to the 550s. So this is looking all right. A lot of back and forth. Breaking and holding that 5-minute level. It's got 30 seconds left on it, 20 seconds left on it. And then what would my risk be? Just above 15 points. I could take a shot with 3 on that. If it pops back up to tap 475. It's just gone. But if it comes back up and taps 475, I might take a stab at the short. Nope. Doesn't want to. Getting that 15-minute trend line down. Tap that 15-minute trend, starting to pull back a little bit. We do have a purple sell on the 15. It's above the candle. Getting off screen here. Wait for this orb to form. It's just pushing too aggressively. Pushing too aggressively. Nice. You're taking a stab at it. Hopefully that works out. Got a new shirt. This is one of my my personal Etsy account shirts. Pass challenge, blow count, learn lesson, repeat. Right on, right on. It's an aggressive move. Big push down. The last stack levels around that 400 level. On that 400 mark. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yep. I got a few of them in. I have one that's my stop loss is my credit limit. That's one of my shirts. Stop loss is my credit limit. I have this one. This is one of mine. Past challenge, blow count, learn lesson, repeat. And then I got a Roar vs. Gore shirt. This is my wife's design here. Roar vs. Gore. It's got the bear and the bull. Pretty sick. My wife is amazing at design, and so the shirt looks phenomenal. I mean, the mug looks good too, but it's hard to see on the camera. But the shirt looks phenomenal. She stole it from me last night. She's like, "Okay, I'm gonna wear that one." It's like, well, what the heck? Little pullback, and continues. You're the only one. All right. Yeah, I just gotta. I mean, I started it a long time ago. I made the Etsy shop forever ago, and I actually think all the shirts are off the shop now. Like, I haven't touched it in so long that it just removed the shirts. I had all my Kingdom Trade stuff, my Kingdom Trade hat, Kingdom Trade shirt, all that stuff on there. I made a doormat. I made a doormat. It said, what did it say? It was like a step on me. At least something should be green today. They're all like, a lot of it was just trading humor, you know. Step on me. At least something should be green today. It was a little outside doormat, and then. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun for a minute making all that stuff. A wheel options trading shirt. I went in heavy on this Up FinTech from China up on my options. Up FinTech Tiger, taking big losses on it. So you know, it's time. It's time to hit it hard. Yeah, I mean they're on Etsy. I don't know if I don't know if they're still on Etsy. I kind of feel like they pulled them off. That's right. Let's see here. If I pull up, do I have my Kingdom Trades open? Yeah. We got 5 more minutes for this opening range. I'm not taking a trade for 5 more minutes, so I'm good. If I do pick up, if I pick up like there you go, with like a lot of subscribers and followers and stuff, then I would oh man, look at that continue. I hope you're still in that, man. That's awesome. Look at that thing dump. So I got a Understanding Day Trader shirt. This one's pretty nice. Let's see, can I zoom in? Can't zoom in. Where's my... Right, dude. That is amazing. Can I just go to the shop? Yeah, so here's the Kingdom Trade shop. Got my Keep Calm and Average Down. I have that one that I purchased already. This one has like a bunch of like, I don't know, verbiage that I don't ever use, but there. That's funny. I trade there for I'm broke. My stop loss is my credit limit. Today's goal: don't lose everything again. I love. It says I love my life, and then the little letters says I love it when my wife lets me trade. This is the one I have on right now. And then some mugs. My nice Rover Spore mug. I love this design, man. This is the design my wife made. I just love it. It's just awesome. Awesome design. Bears and the Bulls. But I usually put on like forever discounts to make it look like I'm discounted. Let's see. All right, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. We just tapped the blue. Got a nice little tap on the blue. Pushing back up against this 5-minute cross. We push below the 5-minute cross, starting to bounce back up above. We're hitting all these key levels down here. This might be a good reversal point. Might be a good reversal point right here. I can fail this 5-minute. We can fail this 5-minute cross. It's got another 1.5 minutes. Right now it looks like it's pushing through, which is good for Akira. So keep going, keep going, keep going. Got this old 5-minute cross. That's what these blues are. No, they're old quantum levels. Old 5-minute quantum blue down here. We got the tap. No close below. It's the 5 minute, so it has to close below on the 5 minute for it to be broken. It's holding. 5-minute cross is holding. 5-minute blue is holding. Nice little pullback here. All right, push back below the 5-minute. Coming back up on that 5-minute cross. It's still got 50 seconds. I'm taking the long here. Dude, break back into the 400s. Got right on it. Man, 1 tick away. There we go. Break back to 400s. Give me that 406. Oh, come on. Even closer tick. Even closer tick. Trying to fade you here. I'll hold that 5-minute. Oh no, it closed below the 5-minute. Alright, I'm out. Darn. Two L's, down 96. I still like it. I still really like it. We're curling this level. Nice. Yeah, dude, I got 1 tick away twice. 1 tick away twice on this. Oh, I'm not even on my chart. Boo. I got 1 tick away on these wicks up. I was like 1 tick away. I was like right here. I was at 406. Yeah, see, it got a high of 405.75. I was at 406. I was 1 tick away. 1 tick away from getting out with profit. All right, there's that nice little continuation there. Hey, man, a win for you. That's great. I'm only down 96 bucks, you know, on 2 L's. I'm pretty happy with that for risk management wise. My losses have been a little bit too big lately, so I've been getting a little too aggressive. So I'm pretty happy with that, taking 2 L's and 1 win, 2 L's, being down $96. Broke through, hit this next 5-minute level. We do have orb now, so we have a break on orb on SPX. He's gonna go for a full gap fill. We got 2 minutes left on this blue candle to break. Retap on orb, pushing through. What's that risk? 17 points if I would have taken it. That would have been good. Alright, we're looking down. Lots of levels to break down below. That's rough. Now we're hitting lots of resistance here. Gotta go for it. Gotta go for it. Taking it short. Would have liked a better entry. Way too much risk. I would have liked to enter, see if we can wick back out.
Order submitted.
All right, there we go.
Order filled.
Going break even here. And just holding 1. I would like to be holding 2 right now, but I couldn't switch it out fast enough. Yeah, I think the short looks good off the orb. We got continuation on SPX. We got a came up and retest. I didn't enter the first retest. I was a little late on that. It's going to pull me out if I don't keep this back. That trail is aggressive, man. And then, but we got lots of stacked levels down here. Honestly, I should just take it. Yeah, I should have just taken it because we got all these levels stacked up down here for me. That's okay. Still red on the day. I could have pushed myself green with that one. The short still looks good. Short still looks good. Just lost a bunch of levels. Broke a bunch of levels. 5-minute cross broke. 5-minute level broke. Now we're on this sauce box. So we just got down to sauce box. Let's see how we do here. Could have stuck with that one. Could have stuck with that one. Yeah, if I would have let that one trail me out at the 10 points, I probably should have done. Would have been a I'd be right at break even right now. 2 wins, 2 losses, and be at break even. Curling up this box again. We already have the upward cross on the 1 minute, so I gotta be watching for a curl on this 2 minute. 5 minutes got a long way to go. 5 minutes just been pounding down, so the action lines are really wide. See if SPX can come up and get a break back into orb. That'd be pretty nice. I like a nice low risk trade. Would be make me happy. Oh yeah. Just like seasonally harder, difficult time. I remember like, last week did feel like more difficult, but I mean, I did good. It pulled green days, man. So just praise God for that. There's a lot of small days. It was definitely my smallest week of the month. It was my smallest week of the month with my accounts. So, but it was green. So that's what counts. We were green. I did lose evals. I lost evals last week, but that's okay. In a couple more days, it'll be April, and I'll get to throw on a couple more evals again. Just ratio them too heavy. That's I need to stop doing that. I need to just trade them like I trade everything else. I ratio my evals heavy, trying to pass them quicker so I can get to payouts faster. And guess what? It actually slows you down. If you just take your time and just pass them whenever you pass them. That's a nice big blue right up to orb. Starting to curl this 2-minute. Blue just got wrecked. Just a tap on orb. Right on. Let's get a range. I love range. I love range. Right back into the range. I'd love to see a break on this blue candle, on this purple. See if we can get into the sauce box. I don't know. Just again, I feel like I'm late to the party. Just feel late to the party. Should have hit it. Should have hit it. Back here at 60. Yeah, just late, man, just late. 2-minute cross here. And I just have so many resistance levels here. It's just like, there's a bunch of resistance levels here. Nice continuation. Wick up, test, continuation. Yeah, I should have been on this. That's okay. That's okay. Now we're just going to wait. In short again. Good job, man. Yeah, I was late. I'm just late. And I don't want to risk too much. I'm like hovering right at break even. I lose one more trade, I'm out. So I would like to make this one a big winner. And hesitating on my entry. My entry should have been right at 60. Right on that break of that blue there. Came up, retest, and started to wick back down. So it retested into the blue, and once it wicked back out of the blue, I should have entered right there at 360. So right now you're talking about a 40-point trade that and it would have been pretty decently low risk. What is it? 15 points. So it would have been a full size trade for me. 15 points is a full size trade. Yeah, lots of resistance levels here. Lots of resistance levels. Breaking that blue. Breaking that blue. Hitting the bottom side of sauce box. Still 2.5 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Pulling back above. I hit a second win, didn't I? I thought I hit a second win. I did. I hit a second win because I was down 90 and now I'm down 20. 64.26. That's on yes, yeah. There it goes. There it goes. Kira making the big bucks today. Nice, man. Going for 63.80. Got a ways. 60. Woo, you got a ways. Very good. You're up 10 points right now. That's awesome. Doing that ES stuff. We're almost all the way to open. Is that open? Is that open on 10 micros? You got a full mini going on it. You're at $500. You got a. Is that open? 63.80 on ES. Is that the open? Or the close? Sorry, yesterday's close. Yeah, yesterday's close, not the open. Yesterday's close. Yeah, that looks like about where it would be on the SPX. SPX is at almost fully closed that gap. We broke this sauce box with just the tip. All right, we're gonna delete this. Oh no, this blue's not broken. It's got 7 seconds. Boom. Another blue broken. We got a 2-minute cross. We got a 1-minute cross. Is that a 1-minute cross? Can't be a 1-minute cross. Oh, that's the midline on that box. That's what that is. 2-minute cross right at the midline on sauce box. Big blue coming in. TR's 23. 20 points of risk on that.
Ashamed of what I've done, what I've become. These hands are dirty.
5. Nice, man.
I dare not lift them up.
At least you're out green, out green.
Oh, I am guilty, ashamed of what I've done, what I've
I want to take this long again too.
These hands are dirty. I dare not lift them up to the Holy One. But you plead my cause, and you right my wrongs. You break my chains.
I don't know. Now we're wicking.
You gave your life to give me mine. You say that I am free. How can it be? How can it be? I've been hiding, afraid I let you
I'm gonna wait for the lowest risk entry I can and
I doubt that you could love
try to slam it.
but in your eyes there's only grace now. Come on, let's sing it out. You plead my cause, yes, you right my wrongs. You break my chains, and you overcome. You gave your life to give me mine, and you say that I am free. How can it be? Yeah, how can it be? You plead
Oh, I'm hitting cap blocks. I'm like, okay, why isn't it not measuring?
and you right my
A full risk there if I would have taken that, but
break my chains. You overcome. You gave your life to give me mine. You say that I am free. How can it be?
pull back down. Big pullback.
Though I fall, you make me new. And from this death I will rise with you. And all the grace reaching out for me. How can it be? How can it be?
Order submitted.
Going for the long here.
Though I fall, you make me new. Oh, from this death I will rise with you.
Already not liking it. Already out. Ugh. That's it for me. Horrible. Horrible. It closed back up inside the sauce box. I decided to take it. Should have had my stop below the 2-minute cross. But pulled back up the sauce box and now it's going to go long. Now it's gonna hit the trade I was looking for. Let's try it one more time. I'm gonna try it one more time.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order filled.
And we break that top side on that purple. We break and hold top side of that purple. That's going to be an awesome entry. It pulls back down. Yeah, it didn't hold top side purple. This thing's got to push. Big wake up on the 5 minute. All right. Like I said, I'm out. That's it for me. I sized too high on that second to last trade, and so it's ranging now. Added on an extra trade, down 196 per account. 3 losses, 3 wins. Took an extra trade. Shouldn't have done that, but hey, it worked out. And now it's gonna go, dude. Now it's gonna go. It's okay. We got that break above. Retest and go. What's the risk on that? 20 points. Too high. The long looks so good now. The long looks so good now. Wicking it. It's wicking it. We're going for another one.
Order submitted.
Come on, bless his name. Nothing can stand against. I choose to praise. To glorify the name of all names. Nothing can stand against. I choose to praise. Glorify the name of all names. Yes, I will.
Order submitted.
Yes, I will. Bless your name. For joy. When my heart is heavy for all my days, I say yes,
Order filled.
I will. All my days.
All right, I'm really done after this. I just overtraded. I just oversized, overtraded, DCA'd. Broke about every possible roll in the book there. I'm definitely done after this. That was bad. That was just bad. I gotta stop. This is the last trade. I'll let this one go out. This is the last trade. I'm closing out after this. That was poor, very, very poor risk management there. way too oversized. Pulled my stop, DCA'd, everything that I shouldn't do, I did there. So we're gonna hold this trade candle by candle. Hopefully it breaks and continues, and I get green on the day and feel sick about it afterwards, because that was just horrible. So this thing can pump for 200 points. I don't care. It was a bad trade. Bad decision. Risk too much. That was a full contract. I was in a full contract there.
Do you believe it this morning?
Hitting bottom side orb.
I got a feeling everything's gonna be all right.
Yeah. So I'm good. I'm gonna end green on the day. I'm gonna end green on the day. We're gonna go up half this candle. Make sure I hold it. Out.
Order failed.
Ending green on the day. Ending up 30. Oh, I didn't get a third loss. That was. Let me get this wrong. So that's 3, 4, 5 wins, 3 losses. But just yeah, that was bad. That was really bad. Yeah, I'm done. That's it. Yeah, sure. I ended green on the day. Woohoo. Trade if I actually end up ending red. This is one of the things, dude. I talk about this all the time. If I pull this up here, one thing that nobody ever talks about, and I keep bringing up in like my Discord groups, and everybody just like kind of disregards it. Whatever. Is commissions. When you're a scalper, when you do these short, tight scalps, like I do a lot of 10-point trades, the commissions will eat you up. So if you notice here, Tradeify, which does double size, is red on the day. My Tradeify is red on the day. So it's like every other account is green, and Tradeify is red on the day, because the commissions are double on Tradeify what they are on Apex. You know, it may not be fully double, but so when you lose more. When you win less, and so it makes it more difficult. Like I really like Tradeify, I like their company, I like their programs and stuff like that. But why are your commissions so high? You know, that it makes it more difficult on the trader. You know, TPT is by far the best commission rate. And the thing is like if like I said, I have a live Ninja Trader account. And it's 35 cents. It's 35 cents entry, 35 cents exit. So on an actual real live account, you're spending 75 cents. When you're spending $1.50 on TPT, you're spending $3 on Apex, and you're spending like $4 or $5 on Tradeify. You know, so it's just completely unrealistic commission rates from these companies. And I think honestly, because they make money off of people losing, I think it's by design, you know. So like I used to run 3 micros. I would take my first one off at 5 and immediately go break even at 5, and then I'd take my second one off at 10, and then I'd trail my third. Now I take them both off at 10, because what I kept getting these 5.1 micro win, come out, stop me out. 1 micro, 5-point win. So 5-point wins on 1 micro is $10, and that's where I first realized it. It's like I hit a $10 trade, and beautiful short off of orb, by the way. Beautiful short off of orb. I'd hit a $10 trade, and TPT would be at $9, and Apex would be at $7 or $8.50 or something like that. So it's like, okay, now I'm losing 25%. With Apex, I'm losing 10% on a $10 trade. I'm losing 10% on TPT. I'm losing 25% on Apex, and I'd be down at like $6.50 on FFF, funded futures family, something like that. And I'd be down at like $6.50 with them. I was like, dude, that was almost $4, almost 40% of a $10 trade was taken away with commissions. It's like they absolutely punish you if you're a scalper. But yeah, so to be to be in double the size. My Tradeify, because it's a 100K account, I have it puts 2 contracts in per 1 contract in all my other accounts that are 50K accounts. And to go from I had a really good day, it was not even a good day. I had a winning day. I'm up, you know, $40 in most of these accounts, $80 on my lead. So today is the rare day that the lead is ahead. But the account that should be double everything because it's double the size is actually red because the commission rate's higher. But yeah. Well, Kira, I'm glad to have you back. I'm glad you took some W's, made some money. I'm ending green overall on the day, red in the one account, and overtraded, oversized, over leveraged. Come back better tomorrow. It's Monday. Come back better disciplined tomorrow, and not do that again. Not do that again. Short looks good. Short looks good. Rejected bottom side orb. Formed a nice purple. Got into the sauce box. Broke. Retest the outside. Breaking back in. Short's looking good for me. If anyone's interested. SPX is the exact same thing. SPX did a near tap on bottom side orb. Broke back down into this range. Had a nice break into the range. Pulled back up, retested, and continued down. So I think part of it is I'm getting out here too early. You know, I'm not getting out here too early. I think it's fine to get out here early. I'm trading too early. I need to let the market move a little bit, give it time to settle, and then wait for the best entries. And then, but all right. God bless. God bless. Jesus loves you. He wants to know you in a real and personal way. This just shows that I am flesh and blood and bone, and I am still need to surrender myself more to the Spirit, and have those fruits of self-discipline and patience and control. But yeah, short looks. Look at that short playing out. Good job. That would have been a good call. See, that's what I should have waited for. Something solid like that. But yeah, Jesus loves you. He wants to know you in a real personal way. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah, hope to see you back, Akira. Hope to see you back today. I'm getting that computer. Hopefully I get to get that thing all set up, and then get it my stream working better. One thing I really notice is like these transitions whenever I go live trading. That one actually went really smooth. But I'm gonna hit live trading. I'm gonna immediately hit NQ, and it's gonna now it's starting to be like, oh my gosh, what are you doing to me? I can't handle all this transitioning. Now it's getting all choppy. So I'm hoping to get rid of all that with a new computer running all my monitors, but my trading is still I'm gonna have my laptop just for entering trades, and then everything else is gonna be ran on the computer. So hopefully that works well. All right, see you guys tomorrow.